Hello, my name is Parsa Bahmanikia and today I'm going to explain how to launch and run my application for the first software project. As you can see, I already opened the source folder for the application, which contains 8 different Java classes. I will start with my shape class. That is an abstract class that embodies the shape concept and has some fields, and also has two abstract method that will be implemented by its subclasses. The subclasses of my shape class are my rectangle, my square, and my circle that will implement these abstract methods. It also implements comparable interface in order to the areas of different shapes can be compared to each other for sorting algorithm. So here in my rectangle class, we can see that the draw and get area has been implemented, and here in my square class as well, and also in my circle class as well, the draw method and the get area method is implemented. Then we are going to have a class named shape factory. This class has a random field which names rand and also has a field list my shape which we named it list. This class has one method generator, and what basically this method does, it generates every time it generates a random list of 6 shapes that we're gonna be used in our panel class. So now we will go to my panel class to uh, examine this class as well. So my panel class extends JPanel and also implements action listener. It has 2 JButton field and 1 Boolean field and 1 public static shape factory field. So it implements action listener. Actually, the reason that it implements action listener is for the buttons. And as you can see, when implementing action listener, we have to implement action performed as well. So here we're gonna build the panel, and these are the methods for the panel, and this paint component method will be used to draw the shapes on the interface. And at the end, we are going to the class mymain.java. So in this class, we created frame JFrame, and we're gonna set default close operation for that frame to JFrame exit on close, and set visibility true, and set its size. And also we're gonna create one in our main method. We're gonna create an panel object, like an instance of the panel class, and then add it to our frame. So when we run the application, it can be seen that an interface shows up and there is nothing in it, like at first, but by pressing load shapes, it will generate 6 random shapes with random colors and random surfaces. So as it can be seen, random dimensions. So load shapes is working properly, and sort shapes is about the class sorting technique that can be seen here. I used a selection sort algorithm for the logic of the sorting algorithm, as it can be seen, and I used to paint component again here so it can redraw the same list. The logic of the sorting can be seen is the selection sort again, so the logic is correct. But the problem is with the calling the same list to be redrawn, like calling the paint component. So when we go to the interface again and click sort shapes, as it can be seen, it will redraw the same in the same order. So I hope to fix this problem soon before the deadline. Thank you very much for your understanding. As it can be seen, load shapes work properly, but sort shapes still needs work. I will stop the recording now.